If you want ghost pages to bring in steady traffic, the secret is targeting the right kind of keywords. Ghost pages already rank quickly because they're built on Google's own trusted properties. But to get the fastest results, you need low competition keywords. So how do you find them? Start by focusing on long tail phrases. Instead of something broad like weight loss, go after best weight loss meal plan for busy moms or simple home workouts for beginners. These searches don't get flooded with competition, but the people searching are highly motivated. Another trick is to look for problem-solving keywords. Phrases that start with how to, the best way, or affordable. These are gold because they match exactly what people type when they're ready to take action. When you stack multiple ghost pages, each targeting different low competition keywords, you build a swarm of traffic machines working together. And because you're avoiding the crowded competitive terms, your pages rank faster, bring in more targeted visitors, and stay under the radar. So don't waste time fighting for high competition keywords. Go after the low-hanging fruit and let ghost pages do the heavy lifting. If you want to learn step-by-step how to uncover the best keywords for ghost pages and turn them into free traffic, check the link in the description and get started today.